Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon unboxing. Boom. Oops, sorry about that. You guys moved on me. Hopefully you guys are alright. Everybody's having a good day. Everybody is safe. And this is coming from, oh boy, Sunbaltic. And you guys could get one at a low cost. Click on the links below. Check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime 2-day shipping. Get it super fast. And fill in your mailbox with some goodies. There we go. Got the cut going. And we got the, what is this? Oh boy, what do we have here? Oh sweet, it's a Vava dash cam with Sony image sensor. Awesome. Vava. App Store, Google Play. It's like a camera kind of day. Here we go. Android, I believe Apple, or maybe just Android, which is fine. I have Android. There we go. I gotta open this thing up. You gotta do the dash cam. There we go. This is nifty. I'm gonna do a quick setup on this one. Might be easy to figure out. Hopefully it's easy. Easy peasy. Drop it down. Thank you. Follow them on Twitter. Right there. Facebook, Instagram. I'll be posting this on those also later on. Life made simple. That would be nice. The days, good old days. Here we go. Specs. Very nice. I gotta buy some SD cards. That's another thing I need to buy. But I should find them pretty good deals on either Amazon or eBay. Should be good deals. I need a couple for the cameras, and this one now. Got a cigarette adapter, all that, the mounting brackets. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. Oh, look at that. USB, bracket, car lighter. Not sure what that is, but that's a camera. Well, nicely packaged. I like the packaging of it. It's really nice. Nice box, empty. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. I think this is Alexa controlled too. I do believe. Here's a speaker. Looks like. If I'm not mistaken. Oh, there's a camera, duh. Yeah. Oh boy. It's a long day. There we go. There we go. Viva or Viva. I see you. Alright, there we go. I got that one. This must be the cable or suction cups. Yeah, buddy. Hey, little suction cups everywhere. Or not suction cup, but Velcro mounting brackets. This little guy. Toss it over there. So this would be a two-parter. If you guys want to stay tuned, you can skip this part. Check out the end. I have it all set up. The USB. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, that's the final one. We got this good stuff. Cigarette lighter or car adapter. Lordy, here we go. That's nice. Nice smart. Nice smart. What is this thing? Shovel? Interesting. Here's this sticky. Not the camera. I'm gonna have to see where they mounted it. How they set this part up. Oh, you put the red dot here, and then you stick it. You know where. Maybe like that, and dash. Records everything, and then. Or you can stick it like. Whoa, it's a magnet. Whoa. Dang, it's strong, man. No. Oh, that's kind of cool. Use it as your car surveillance. I wish I had one of these when my car got broken into a long time ago. This is what it came in handy back then, sure. But I'll make some use for it now, definitely. And you guys can get one at low cost. There's click on the links below. This must be the sensor and USB connected to here somewhere. Where did it go? Oh, right there. Plug this up here. Oh, come on. Bada boom. Plug it in. Give me a few minutes and I'll see ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is, the Vava dash cam. The app, you have to download it on Google Play. Really simple to connect to. I don't have an SD card right now. Like I said, I'm going to have to order some micro SDs and to show you more. But here is, I think I had it once. I think I had it set up already. Things, all that stuff. Oops. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's cool. So they got, there's my garage. This camera. It's backwards, so this is this way. There's my prowler. Oh, look how clear it is. I'm really impressed. So, okay, that's the way I gotta mount it. Alright, cool. 360. People keep it from behind, but I got tinted windows. Oh, side view. It's all good. It's cold in my garage, so sorry about that. Might be a short one, but I mean, dang, I'm liking this. Check them out, YouTubers. Link's gonna be down below where you can purchase one, and then pretty much that's it. It's pretty simple, clear. Now, I'm not sure if it's recording my sound. I don't think so because I don't have my SD card, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be double backfire from the sound, but really cool. I've been wanting to get one or something like this just in case for the car, protect the car. Alright, YouTubers, Vava, whatchamacallit, in-dash camera, and you guys be safe, you guys have a good one, and I'll see you soon. Alright, now I'm using my phone. This is semi-installed. Sorry about the dirty glass. I gotta clean that. There's a mount. Got it all the way. I'm gonna have to hide it better, of course. But really cool. And there's a adapter. Check them out, YouTubers. But it's 2 o'clock. You guys be safe. Have a good one, and see ya.